Welcome to the SoftwareTrailers.com video channel. Today we will be presenting Virtual Badge. Virtual Badge helps you create digital certificates for your courses, online events, workshops, webinars, and virtual summits that your students can proudly showcase online. You can now issue unique online certificates and transform your participants into your authentic online promoters. You can also design the unique, social media-friendly background of the virtual badges by adding personalization fields, links to your website, hashtags, and more. Virtual badges are the only online certificate solution optimized to be shared on social media. As a result, it's an excellent alternative to Credly, best suited for event managers, coaches, online academies, and enterprises. With Virtual Badge, you can create landing pages from which your recipients can access their certificates with your logo, color codes, and style. It's also very easy to create and manage custom certificates and badges to strengthen your brand as. You could completely white label the solution and handle up to 10 different brands under one account. With just one click, your participants have all your course information pre-filled on their LinkedIn profiles. They easily build their online CV, and you build your course's reputation. Online certificates are hosted on the virtualbadge.io server, located in Europe, and 100% GDPR compliant. All badges can be validated 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you like what you hear about Virtual Badge, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, check our other videos for many excellent deals on software. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.